This is a tabletop water fountain. This 3-tiered waterfall fountain is carefully packaged to ensure safe delivery. This has unique design with small red mushrooms, light brown squirrels, and their warm lights inside. The exquisite detail of this indoor fountain are everywhere. The animal statues are hand-painted in vibrant colors and long-lasting resin material that will keep your small water fountain look new over time. The size is 5.3 by 5.3 by 7.1 inches, and the small desktop fountain is perfect size for your office setting, home patio, living room, etc. With its soothing water sounds, soft LED lights, this fountain creates a peaceful ambience. This indoor waterfall fountain is a perfect gift idea. This is a tabletop water fountain with squirrel and warm light.